Goran Doncic, Business Development Manager for CHAUVET, looking after the Middle East regions. Welcome to the stand, and we have a lot of amazing new products that we recently launched that we think you're going to like. To that effect, I'm going to bring on Ben Virgo, our European product manager, and he'll talk you through some of the products that we have for you here. So over to you, Ben.
So thanks for that, Goran. I'm just going to show you a few of the new products on the booth. So one of the new really important ones we have is the Ovation Rêve F3 IP. So this is a full spectrum Fresnel light. It has an RGB AML engine, motorized zoom, standard barn door accessories on the front. Really good for long throw applications on outdoor stages. But yeah, really exciting product, and we do both an indoor version and an outdoor version of this product, so the two different things. And then just next to this, we've got the Ovation Rêve P3 IP. So again, IP rated, has our Rêve engine, which gives you those beautiful broad spectrum colors. And it's just, yeah, changeable lenses on the front. Yeah, really powerful fixture. And then another one that's a bit further over there on the booth is the Strike Bolt 1C. So the Strike Bolt 1C is a small form factor strobe light that has white strobe tubes and then color plates. It also has a really cool electrofrost. So the electrofrost you can turn on and off and essentially make a block of color. Or a bright white light. So it gives you those flexibility. And then also the two different new LED wall panels we have. So up here we have the REM 1, so this is a 1.9mm LED screen with a new Novastar VMP Coax platform. So great new software, really flexible and works really nicely. And then behind that we have the REM 3, so this is a 3.9mm LED panel. Again on the Novastar platform, universal LED modules, built-in curving, yeah, and just a really, really cool product. But that's a brief tour of what we've got here, and thanks for listening.